The Mitsubishi Outlander PHEV is started like any conventional car. After putting your foot on the brake pedal, simply press the power button to activate the vehicle. A ready light on the driver display indicates the vehicle is running. If the selector lever is operated while the indicator is still blinking, the system will not start. If this should occur, switch the power back off. Wait 10 seconds and try again. To move away, use the selector lever to select drive and release the parking brake. At the end of a journey, there are 3 simple steps to turn off the vehicle. After coming to a halt, activate the parking brake. Then press the Park button marked P to return all functions to park mode. Finally, press the power button to turn off the drive systems.